everyone, welcome to the channel. So today I just want to do what I'm calling a quick yoga fix, and so it's just going to be one pose, and you can use it, however you need to use it, whenever you feel like you have a little bit of excess tightness. It's really good for stretching your joints, especially like your hip flexors and around that area, and I mean pretty much everywhere. And full disclosure or disclaimer or whatever you call it, I did not come up with this pose. This was something I saw someone else do, and the channel I got the idea from is actually called Yoga with Adriene. So she does all kinds of yoga for like everything. She's been going for a lot of years now, and so maybe if you really like yoga, or find yoga to be challenging, you maybe want something that is a bit modified for your needs, then definitely go check her out. But anyway, I am taking a page from her book today, and so we're just going to do this version of cat cow that she calls drunk cat cow. We're going to be, let's see, taking the knees wide first of all, and then I come up like this, and I'm just trying to make sure that these are I'm really not good at keeping my hands or my hands and wrists and everything lined up under my shoulders. I don't know why it's so difficult, but actually, you know what, I am going to take them out a little bit because I think it's going to be hard to do this movement otherwise. So we're going to go from this posture, and we're just going to kind of come out and do these circles, but you really want to get into it because it'll help stretch so many areas kind of all at once. And come back as far as you kind of can, but don't hurt your stuff. Well, that was 3, and then let's go ahead, do 3 the other way. It's my wrist popping. And you can really get into it, and then you can kind of just shift around, shift your weight around, and then you can also kind of come forward, but you kind of might want to get your legs a little more centered rather than out to the sides. I mean, you could do it with them out to the sides, but you can do a upward dog real quick, maybe. And then a child's pose. If you want to maybe add that in. Okay. Come back up. And then let's do some just regular cat-cow, just real quick. Just to get everything nice and, I don't know, evened out. Okay. And that's actually pretty much it. This is just meant to be a really short little video. Like I said, just supposed to be a quick yoga fix. And that original pose, drunk cat cow, it's really good because, like I said, it just kind of opens up your joints. And as Adriene has said, if there's only one pose, like one yoga pose that you can do, then perhaps make it that one, because it stretches and mobilizes so many areas kind of all at once throughout your body. So if nothing else, just maybe do that one. But yeah, so I guess that's all we're doing for today. So it's just a quick one. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you do subscribe so that you're notified whenever I put out a new video. I do new videos every single week, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!